It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Han Bo-yoon may be starring in a new historical romance drama. On October 12, Star News reported that Han Bo-yoon will be starring in the upcoming drama entitled Ha Shin-roo. In response to the reports, a source from FN Entertainment shared, Han Bo-yoon received an offer to star in Ha Shin-roo, and he is reviewing the offer. Nothing has been decided. Ha Shin-roo takes place in the backdrop of the days of King Sejong, which was also referred to as the Joseon Renaissance. The historical romance drama follows the story of Crown Prince Liang, who is a scientist that loves the stars, and Haru, a mysterious woman who sees the future. Han Bo-yoon was reportedly offered the role of the genius scientist and Crown Prince Liang. Previously, it was revealed that Kim Son-ho was in talks for the role, but his agency later announced that the actor agreed with the production company to not star in the drama. Author Yoon Yi-soo of the original web novel of the same name will be personally writing the script. Yoon Yi-soo is also the author behind the web novel of the popular drama Love in the Moonlight. For the meantime, Han Bo-yoon is currently gearing up for the December premiere of Noryang Deadly Sea, as well as the upcoming film 2 O'Clock Date. Meanwhile, you can watch him in his latest dramas, See You in My 19th Life, Military Prosecutor Doberman, and New Missiles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.